Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I have a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm going to call this a baby haul. And you'll see why. This is not going to be in any particular order. And there's some holiday in here I picked up. The skeleton. I have plans for him. I hope he works. They finally had him at my Dollar Tree, so I grabbed him. It's the only Halloween item I got, I think. So, it's fine. Okay, as I do this, I'm going to put it in a bag. So, as you see, sweet new baby. One of my daughter's best friends had a baby, premature baby. So all the baby shower, because Chelsea's family is weird. Their family has a baby shower and don't invite any friends of Chelsea's. So Diamond and Kim are throwing her a baby shower for friends and other that kind of thing. So, I went baby shopping at the Dollar Tree. So, we're going to put it in a bag right away. Get it off. As I show you what I picked up. So, the first thing I picked up was this little washcloth baby, little puppy. I thought it was cute. Got a bag. And then I got like little, I got a rattle, little corner guards, multi-purpose latch knobs and things. Oh, that's different. Some the A&D ointment cream. I picked up some baby wipes. Here's another corner. So put them in a bag. I just bought her. Hang on a second. I gotta fix the bag. Okay. I'll put the baby wipes on the bottom. And I'll put the A&D. Put the little doorknob things. Plus I got gonna pick her up some diapers too. Show that later. Riley, I laugh so hard. As you can see, my nails look crappy right now, but they are blue. Every time my granddaughter Riley comes, she does my nails, and if I go out by her, she does my nails. Well, the last time she was here before we all got sick, I was out of cotton balls. So she's like, Nana, did you pick up cotton balls? So next time I come and do your nails, I can do them proper. Riley, I got your cotton balls. I call her my little beautician. There's another thing of those little doorknob things. I got her this little All About Babies book just for the baby to play with. So, yeah, I didn't know what to get her. Another one of those. Oh, I got one of these from Sabrina, and Coda asked if I've seen one, if I could buy him one, so I picked that up for Coda Bear. I bought a little baby bill for the baby. Her name's Ruby. She's doing good. I got little baby washcloths for the baby. Alright, I'll show you what's in here. And I found the truck bow. I like that actually. You can actually see the truck on this one this time, so I grabbed that. And then did some Christmas shopping. Peru. Got Riley the box. I'll take them out because she ain't gonna care. Yeah, some little purple, pink, blue. This is like a silver. This is cute. And then this is some lip balm. Got another little lip balm. Got purple and silver. Another little pink lip balm and blue. That's for Riley for her Christmas stocking. This is funny, guys. So I asked Scott when he was downstairs the other day to bring me up some paper toweling. He didn't bring it up, so I assumed we were out, which would have been weird in our household due to the fact my husband works at a paper plant and ordered cases of it. So he asked me why'd you buy paper towel? I said, because we're out. And he goes, no, we're not. He moved the cases, and I didn't know he moved them. Yeah, but don't get yours. Okay. I picked up a little brush set, Disney Princess. A bottle washer. I have a bottle washer. You can always have more than one of those. I got this mini pacifier holder. Also, okay. Oh, here's another little nail polish for Riley. Oh, and I got some more for Riley. I got these little nails. I thought they were cute for her. And then some more nail polish. It's all for Riley. I'm actually going to stick that all back in this bag to put in the Christmas shower. Yeah, our downstairs shower becomes the Christmas shower, as I call it, or a gift shower, because that's where we stick everything till the holidays, you know, presents and stuff. They had these little garland, Santa, and snowman. I thought them were cool. Then, oh, more baby stuff. Got a couple of these. Okay. I kind of went overboard. One truck. Oh, the little gnomies. That were cute. Grabbed a couple of them. Got this. Merry and Bright. Looks like a giant tag. Polka dot. Oh, some more baby plug-in things. Probably could have got her the kid at Walmart cheaper, but hey. Let me see. And I know I probably have some of these from last year, but I grabbed them. I think these are bigger than last year's actually and different. So got 3 of them. I only had 3. Okay. Got some baby sticky stockings. Aren't they cute? There. And I think that's all the baby stuff. Man, maybe I should have bought a bigger bag. Oh, I'm sorry. So, look at I think I bought 4 of them. I did. I bought 4 of these little trucks. I have a big one identical to this. I thought they were so cute. I had to buy them. I got 4 of those trucks. Oh, more baby. And I thought this was kind of cool. I wish I'd have had one of these with my baby. It's like a toothbrush. Got that. Alright. I thought these were kind of cool. So I picked up me 4 of them. They're light up icicles and they come with the batteries and they're LED lights. I thought those were neat. I was like, I'm going to come up with a project with them. Like that. 2 cans of spaghetti sauce. Yay. And some Kleenexes. I got this for a project. And more baby. Got that. And then that. And that's my Dollar Tree haul, guys. That's a big bag of baby stuff. So there we go. That is my Dollar Tree haul. I love the little trucks. I'm glad I found them. Sabrina showed me them the other day. And it's actually an ornament. See? Got an ornament. So they'll be on my tree. Because I do red trucks all over my house at Christmas. And as well as my tree. So 4 of them for my Christmas tree. It'll be alright. So I want to thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now.